In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn profile without notifying your contacts. Whether you're sprucing up your profile with new achievements or just doing some housekeeping, you might want to make these updates without broadcasting them to your entire network. And guess what? It's a pretty straightforward process that should take you no more than 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to head over to the LinkedIn website. Once there, go ahead and sign in. You can do this using your Google account for convenience, or just continue with your regular LinkedIn account details if you prefer. The choice is yours, and LinkedIn has made it super easy to get to your profile from the get-go. After you've logged in, your next step is to locate your profile photo, which should be right there at the top right corner of your screen. This little image is essentially your gateway to your personal LinkedIn settings and preferences, so go ahead and give it a click. Upon doing so, what you'll want to look for next is the option that says Settings and Privacy. It's here that LinkedIn allows you to customize your experience and control what information you share and how you interact with your network. A click on Settings and Privacy will take you precisely where we need to be. Once in the Settings menu, you're going to direct your attention to the Visibility section. Now, this is where the magic happens. It's the control room for how visible your activities and profile adjustments are to others. Click on Visibility to proceed. Under the visibility settings, you'll find an option that's particularly important for what we're doing today. Share job changes, education changes, and work anniversaries from profile. This is the feature that, when enabled, notifies your contacts about various updates on your profile. But since our goal is to keep our updates on the down low, you'll want to click on this option to manage it. And here's the final step, simply turn this feature off. By doing so, you're telling LinkedIn that you'd prefer not to announce every little tweak or achievement on your profile to your professional network. It's a fantastic way to keep things under wraps until you're ready to unveil them yourself on your terms. And that's all there is to it. With those quick and easy steps, you can update your LinkedIn profile in peace without setting off any notifications to your contacts. Remember, keeping your profile up to date is crucial in the professional world. But how and when you share those updates is entirely up to you. So go ahead, make those changes, and keep steering your professional narrative in the direction you want it to go.